Today, I'm going to show you how to mix Rootside Mixers with sparkling water from your SodaStream. Basically, you just mix 1 part Rootside to 5 parts soda water. That or just a good splash of Rootside and top up the glass with sparkling water. You can use any kind of soda maker for this. You can use club soda or any other kind of store-bought sparkling water. It all works great. It's all carbonated water. It's fine. I'm going to use a SodaStream today. It's what I've got at home. I drink a lot of sparkling water. If you want the best bubbles for your SodaStream, get your water as cold as possible. Just stick a couple bottles in the fridge, keep them in there, and then when you want to carbonate, pull one out or fill a jug up of water in your fridge. CO2 dissolves way easier in cold water than it does warm water, so your bubbles are going to stay in that water a lot better if it is as cold as possible. I like my water extra bubbly, so I do about 3 pumps on the SodaStream. Sometimes I just keep pumping because I like lots of bubbles. Once your chilled water is carbonated, you want to add about 2 tablespoons of Rootside to a glass and just top up the rest with sparkling water. It's about a 1:5 ratio, but honestly, don't even measure. Just pour in a good splash. Make the drink how you like it. If you want it a little stronger, make it stronger. If you want it a little lighter, a little less sugar, use a little less. It's easy. If you want to make a full SodaStream bottle up, just fill the water up to the line, chill it, carbonate it, and then top up the rest of the bottle with Rootside. That ends up being about a 1:5 ratio, which actually works out really well. Just a word of warning though, make sure you add the syrup after you carbonate and not before. Otherwise, if you carbonate with the syrup already in there, it's going to foam over and make a mess. If you have any questions about this at all, just comment below or shoot me an email. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks very much. Enjoy your drink.